Wait,
I'm working non-stop in this heat, but clogged cooling pads choke my airflow. Fresh water and regular cleaning and ready to rescue every scorching afternoon.
This entire video was created with AI in less than a minute. Pretty impressive. In this video, I'll show you the exact step process using free AI tools. Let's get started.
Open ChatGPT. Tap on the two-line menu, then tap on Apps, and after that, tap on GPTs. In the search bar, search for object, then click on this chat. Tap Start Chat. Here, you can type the name of any object you want. Right now, I am typing TV. After that, it will generate an image prompt along with a script. Copy the image prompt and simply paste it into Gemini. Within a few seconds, it will generate the image for you. Save the image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the script. Now open the YouTube Create app, which is available on the Google Play Store. Tap on Generate Video, then paste your script. Click the plus icon and upload your TV image. Now tap Generate. In just a short time, your video will be ready. Once your video is finished, tap on the video at the bottom. Then tap on this option and click Export. After a few moments, your video will be saved to your phone's gallery.
And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create AI videos like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next